Welcome back to the Life of Amy June. If you're new here, I'm Amy, and on this channel I share productivity, marketing, and small business tips to help you stay organized and build a life that actually feels doable. And if you've been here for a while, you know these planning routines are so much more than pretty pages and highlighters. They're how I survive an 80-hour work week running multiple businesses while still making time for real life. Because the truth is, I don't get to clock out at 5 p.m. My brain is always in motion, but with systems like this, I can breathe, stay grounded, and actually enjoy the life I'm building. I always start with a full brain dump, everything that's floating around in my head. Client deadlines, meetings, errands, content ideas, family stuff, it all hits the page. If it's taking up mental space, it goes down. Then I organize it by category. Luxe Marketing, which is my client and agency work. Amy June Lashes and Luxe Manny, which are my e-commerce brands, so product launches, promotions. Then we have Productivity Prism, which is my planner and digital product projects, YouTube and content creation for this very channel, family and personal, all the stuff that keeps me sane. Seeing everything separated like this helps me instantly see what deserves my energy and what doesn't. Because here's the thing, when you're a business owner, there's always more to do. You'll never be caught up, so if you don't prioritize intentionally, your work will run your entire life. Once everything's on paper, I highlight my non-negotiables. These are the things that truly move the needle, the projects that drive growth, revenue, or deadlines. Not everything is urgent. Not everything deserves your energy. Trying to do it all is the fastest way to burn out. So I ask myself, if I could only get 3 things done this week, what would they be? That question keeps me laser focused when the week gets chaotic. Then I start blocking my time. I plug in non-negotiables first, meetings, family time, deadlines, and then I build my entire week around them. I like to theme my days. Monday, content planning and filming because I generally am very motivated and have a lot of energy. Midweek is more deep work or product development, and Friday I like to keep as an admin or catch-up day. It keeps my brain in the same lane and helps me actually finish what I start. And I always leave space for flexibility because, life happens. A packed schedule might look productive, but if one thing goes wrong, it can throw off your entire week and cause stress. So, I build in breathing room. That's how I stay consistent without burning out. Once my week is structured, I move into meal planning. It's not fancy. I just plan 4 to 5 dinners that use similar ingredients to save time and reduce waste. Then I do a grocery pickup so I'm not wandering the aisles for an hour after work. It's one of those little life hacks that keeps things smooth when business is crazy. And speaking of busy weeks, I just finalized all the Black Friday plans for Amy June Lashes. If you love lashes or press-on nails, make sure you're following at Amy June Lashes on Instagram. We have some really good things coming. And of course you can stop here, but I generally like to set up my entire week, so I'll add the dates to my individual daily planning pages and then fill in the time-sensitive tasks that I already know that I have to do. So take my son to school, pick him up from sports, any meetings, etc. And that's my weekly reset routine, a simple mix of brain dumping, prioritizing, and time blocking that keeps me organized, grounded, and focused all week long. I share these routines not because I have it all together, but because without them, I wouldn't be able to do what I do. I get to live this creative, busy, fulfilling life because I plan for it. If this helped you, make sure to give it a like, subscribe, and share with another busy entrepreneur or mom who could just use a little calm in their week. And if you want to see how I plan my month and set bigger goals, I'll link that video right here. Thanks for watching, and remember, structure isn't the enemy of freedom. It's the reason you get to live freely. See you next time.